Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share this with you today because I have been looking for a crate or a compartment to store my journal cards. Now I kid you not, I've been looking for about a couple weeks already. I've been to Tuesday Morning, I've been to Marshall's and Joann's. I also went to Ross because I was like thinking, well, maybe if I find a basket or little wooden crates. And then I was like, well, I'll just keep looking. So, because I couldn't find anything that fit for what I was needing. And yesterday I decided to go to Michael's and I was like, well, let me check their little wooden crate areas, their baskets. And then I decided to stop into the spring seasonal area they have normally in the front of the store. And then I checked the garden area too, where they have like the fairy stuff or you know what I'm talking about. So I was like, okay, well, all of a sudden I saw all these bunch of these like wooden containers, and I think they're called garden boxes. And then sure enough, this was there, and I was like, wow, this is exactly what I need. The sizing looked perfect. Of course, I didn't have any journal cards with me, but I was like, you know what? I could just grab it. Worst case scenario, it doesn't work, I'll return it. And then I thought, well, maybe I should grab two. And I'm like, no. You only need one. And then I was thinking, oh, okay, well, yeah, let me just grab one. So I grabbed it, I got home, and sure enough, it was a perfect fit. And I could have not even asked for something even custom made like this. Although I probably could have made one myself because it doesn't look too difficult. It's just a long, narrow wooden box. But the fact that I found it for less than, $6, $7, that in itself was pure joy. And the fact that it's going to get me organized is even 10 times better. So, and it's going to serve the purpose that I'm looking for. I am doing a lot of spring cleaning these past couple weeks, and I probably will continue in the next month or so. There's a lot of things that I want to declutter and just clean out of my home. So that's probably why you haven't seen me too much on YouTube. And anyways, if you want to see any of my organizational videos, I'll leave a little poll above and just hit yes or no, especially craft related items that I like to organize and to just rearrange just to make my life easier. And I felt like this is what I really needed. I was tired of using Ziploc bags and I had these journal cards in the containers that came in, and it just wasn't an easy access for me. I really wanted something that I can just look at, flip through, and pick what I need and use it on my project, whether it's a TN, a card, or a swap too. So this was perfect. So I created these little I laminated these cards just for dividers. I'm not going to identify the collection. I just separated each collection because I feel like the system itself lends for me to just look at it really quick. And like I said, grab what I need and use it. And if you're interested in making one of these, this is just laminated and I use a die cut, but you could use a heart punch or a circle punch or a flower punch and just glue it together, laminate it, and you create your own dividers. So I absolutely love the way this system came out. It is perfect, and it is exactly the amount of journal cards that I have. So I guessed right. And what's good is that I could just flip. It has plenty of room for it to move. And my goal is to finish this off and then I'll just replenish. I don't need to buy any more journal cards. I'm pretty sure I could use all this here for all my current projects, and I absolutely love it. So I hope this video inspired you to get organized. And if you want to grab one of these containers quick, go to Michael's. They're in the seasonal section right there, the spring garden area, and you could score one of your own. Well, thanks for spending your time with me. Until next time, and God bless. Bye-bye.